I'm an SEO, your go-to source for mastering Amazon PP. See? If you're finding value in our content, don't forget to subscribe. We release new, insightful videos daily. Today, we're diving into how to set up PPC campaigns on Amazon. Let's start by logging into your Seller Central account and navigating to the campaign managers. Click Create Campaign. Choose Sponsored Products for product-focused ads. Now, it's time to give your campaign a name. Remember, organization is key for tracking success. Next, set your daily budget and choose a bid strategy. A higher budget and aggressive bidding can increase visibility, but start with what you're comfortable with. Select the products you want to advertise. Then, add relevant keywords. Use broad, phrase, or exact matches based on your targeting strategy. If you're getting value from this video, please give us a like. It helps us reach more Amazon sellers like you. Review your settings, and if everything looks good, launch your campaign. Congratulations! You now live with Amazon PP. See? Got questions? Leave a comment below. We love helping our community grow their Amazon businesses. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.